Hi everybody, my name is Matt Rosenthal. I'm the CEO of Mindcore. I'm here to share with you Mindcore's tip of the week. Did you know that your IT strategies should always align with your IT projects? Seems like common sense. I can't tell you how often I come across people in business, in conversation, it comes to light that there's all these different initiatives in their business, and I'll turn to them and I'll say, wow, that's awesome. Are your IT people or is your IT service provider, are they in alignment with you? Is there ongoing discussion to make sure that you guys are going like the same direction, you're not going in different directions, which would have a terribly negative impact on the outcome? Oftentimes, through just me asking questions, the outcome is, wow, I better go back and talk to my people. So, number one, IT projects in general, you've got to really put a lot of thought into what they are, what the scope of work is, what the actual deliverable is going to be, because that needs to align with your business's goals. That should start early on when the business is putting together its goals for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. In that process of choosing which IT projects we're going to do, what are you looking for? And this is the number one thing. You're looking for ROI, return on investment. Or, said a different way, you're looking for the impact. Is the investment in alignment with the impact that it's going to have on the company? The impact that you're looking to have on the company could be a wide variety of things. It could be efficiency. It could be improved process, which is efficiency. It could be delivering value to the client. It could be speed in delivering your product. It depends on what your business is. You could be a law firm, you could be a manufacturer. So the return on the investment is different depending on your business. Remember this, if your business isn't growing, it's contracting. If your business is standing still, it's contracting. Every project that you allocate and commit money to has got to somehow line up with a business plan that supports growth for the business. If the entire plan ultimately isn't delivering some sort of growth mechanism, why are we doing it? There's no way to have a return on the investment if it's not growing the business. So, summing it all up, you're always going to have IT projects, doesn't matter what business you're in, but those IT projects have got to be in direct alignment with the business leaders, and the business leaders and the IT people have got to be talking about what are the outcomes, what are we looking to achieve here, and ultimately, is there going to be ROI and is there going to be growth that is enabled and supported by doing this project? Hope you all have a great week. I hope this helps. In fact, if you somehow get something out of this and it helps you at all, please share it. Let's help as many people as we can. Thank you very much. Have a great week. I'll talk to you next week.